Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get this CarX Street hack so you can get unlimited money in the game. You can unlock all cars and unlock all upgrades as well. So as you can see here, I am in the game and there's the mod menu open right now. And if you guys see, I have 0 money and 0 coins. But when we click the option here in the top, infinite money and coins, watch what happens to my money in the top right there. You're going to see. Look at that. Look at it, guys. We have 9,999,000,000,000 coins and 999,000 billion money as well. So the mod menu works, and I'm just going to show you guys in this video how you guys can go ahead and get this CarX Street mod. So I just closed the app up, but yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm going to walk you guys through the steps so you guys will be able to get this as well. So let's go ahead now and walk you guys through these steps. So if you are on an iPhone or iOS device like I'm using right here, before you can get the app, you have to change some settings on your phone. If you're on Android, you don't have to do this step, but iOS it's required. But anyways, you're gonna open up your settings right on your iOS device, and you guys are gonna want to scroll down and go to battery. And then in battery, you guys will see low power mode, and you're just gonna want to make sure you guys have this off right here like this, and that's perfect. And then once you guys do that, you're gonna scroll up and go to general. Okay, so in general, you guys will scroll down and go to background app refresh. Click it here in the top, and just make sure you guys have it turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. And then once you guys do that, you're gonna scroll up and go to about, and just simply make sure that your software version is above iOS 11. So as you guys saw right there, I'm on iOS 14.6, so I'm good to go. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to actually get the app. So what you guys will do is go to your browser on your iOS or Android device, and you're going to go to this website right here called vivahelper.com. So to spell that, it's vivahelper.com, guys. So keep that in mind. This is the site we're going to go to. And once we're here, we're going to go to search apps button here in the top, and you guys are going to want to type in the name of the app that we're trying to get, which is going to be CarX Street. So you're gonna just type it in like that, and as you guys can see, CarX Street mod, 56,000 downloads, 4.9 star ratings. This is the app we want. So you guys will click it, and then it will say CarX Street mod, get unlimited money and more. So we're gonna click download now, and as you guys can see, it's loading, and we're just going to wait for this a little bit here, and then I'll show you guys how to finish the install, so we can go ahead and finish getting this app. So yeah, you just click download now, like I said. And it will say this website is trying to get a profile. Do you want to allow this? Click allow, and then we're gonna exit out of here, and then we are going to open up our settings on our iOS device. And you should see profile downloaded in the top. If you don't see that, you're gonna go down to general, and then you're gonna go to profiles, and you'll see CarX Street mod at the top here. If you're on Android, by the way, it won't actually install this profile thing. It's actually going to just take you to the page where you finish installing it there, and there'll be instructions for you. But we're gonna click install, next, install, and then boom, guys, the CarX Street mod will be installed, and we can go ahead and use it. Now, when you do open it up for the first time, there might be like some verification that you guys have to do. This is just to make sure that you're like not a robot or something like that. It's pretty simple though, just follow the instructions, and you guys should be able to use it. So thanks everybody, and enjoy your CarX Street hack, guys. Unlimited money, coins, and everything like that, and peace out everybody.